For years we've been told AI will destroy jobs. But what if the opposite is true? A groundbreaking new study reveals AI might actually be helping workers. A 20-year study from Germany tells a different story, one you probably haven't heard. The study tracked 5,000+ workers in Germany. AI-exposed workers reported 23% fewer injuries, no drop in job satisfaction or mental health. Biggest winners? Workers without college degrees, 68% job satisfaction stats. Researchers analyzed data from over 5,000 workers and found something shocking. AI isn't the job killer we feared. In fact, workers exposed to AI reported 23% fewer physical injuries, especially in manufacturing and logistics. And job satisfaction? Unchanged. For workers without degrees, AI reduced dangerous, repetitive tasks. AI isn't replacing workers, it's helping them. Robots handle dangerous and repetitive tasks. Humans focus on problem-solving and care. Example, nurses gain 20% more patient time. But it's not all perfect. Study limited to Germany, strong labor laws. Long-term wage effects still unknown. Upskilling is crucial to keep benefits. What's your experience with AI at work? Comment below. For more data-driven tech insights, visit a Square Solutions blog. Has AI improved your work life or made it worse? Drop a comment. And for more deep dives on AI's real-world impact, visit a Square Solutions blog at URL. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more myth-busting research. Has AI improved your work life or made it worse? Drop a comment. And for more deep dives on AI's real-world impact, visit a Square Solutions blog at URL. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more myth-busting research.